we want to next add an image. So below the Monday text, go ahead and type image, and then we're going to reference system name, and from here we're going to pass in a string, and in this case we're going to pass in sun.max.fill. Now the question is, how do you know what icons, what system icons you can reference? Well, if you open the library, and the best way to find that is under View and Show Library, you'll notice over here we've got our list of views. We've got some other items here, and on this far right we have one called Symbols. Here you have all the various symbols that are available within iOS that you can then reference. And so you could start searching, and you could find ones that have reference to sun, and there's a whole host of images. But basically what you're doing is you can scroll through and see what they look like and figure out. Notice whenever it has text that says .fill, notice the difference between the regular one and the one that says .fill is that it's got more of a filled in color for a background on the image. So you can certainly explore and find images that you want to use here.